Okay, what is up, people? I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to another video of riding and talking. As you guys can see, I am riding my bike right now.
हाँ बिल्कुल, हाँ बिल्कुल.
The thumbnail, yeah, accident na tagi siya. Because I got in an accident, or say, oh wow, look at the dogs, so cute.
Wow.
Anyway, coming back, I got in a crash. It wasn't that major. I mean, the wounds were a little bit major, kinda, but the damage to the bike wasn't much, so very lucky. Nothing major na, considering that I slided at least like a good 70-80 feet. Thank you. Highway. So yep, I am fully recovered. I mean, not fully recovered, but yeah, 80% recovered from my crash. And I don't know if you guys can notice or not, but I am using a new GoPro. I sold my old GoPro 10 and now I am rocking the GoPro 11, which has, you know, the hyper view, which I'm using right now. The GoPro 10 supports only till super view, and coming to the GoPro 11, 12, 13, they have the hyper view, which is, you know, which gives a larger POV and it's wider. So yeah, as a motovlogger, I think it's pretty much needed. And yep, I feel like it's gonna be raining up ahead. Let's see, I don't know where I'm going right now.
कहाँ जा रहे हो विजय?
The view looks really good up ahead. Let's see, osro punch na view kina oh. Also, I took off my, you know, speedometer ka speed sensor. Didn't want to show, you know, moiki number de chala ase. It's embarrassing that mula kapra sab phade in that crash. You guys have no idea how torn my clothes became. So yeah, that was embarrassing. To repair my bike, it didn't cost much because I had only a broken gear lever. The gear lever was broken, and then this handlebar was, you know, bent, and this rubber. That's the only repair I had to do. And oh, I think something happened.
क्या हुआ क्या?
Accident or what? Anyway, never mind. This is a highway, so many things happen. Let's hope it doesn't rain up ahead. And yeah, how are you guys? You know, how's the hyper view? Are you guys seeing more, seeing less? I think the view behind me will be clear. Yeah, it's very clear. Yeah, I think I'll just enter Patkai and see what we do. Aage jao le lot risky because you guys can see the weather. Okay, at least Chumu is a little pleasant compared to Dimapur, because Dimapur the heat though. You can't even stay under the fan, man. Fan chalai garam hawa fu na fukiega. एक ग्लव पीस है ना फटीना का. मैं गरीब हूँ. My gloves were already beaten, but after that crash, it's really done for. I don't think I will go Metsipema side. I don't know. I don't want to take my chances with the rain. Kind of want to, kind of don't want to, but it does look very dark that side. So forget it. I'm going to be going Patkai. It's actually not bad to be going for a ride in this kind of weather, plus no plan. Yeah, It's a vibe, you know. No plans, good weather. The plan gets made on the way. I don't know, man. Should I go here? The view is very nice here. Yeah, of course. Or here. Freak! Charlie. So this time we'll be going on the left side. Oh gosh, look at the view. It's so pretty. What the hell? Nice. Yeah, let's just test the camera today. Not much hyper riding, just camera testing. I hope my angle is good. I hope it'll do justice. I think I should raise it a little. Yeah. Sheesh. Great view.
Oh my god! Wow!
My phone, I hope it won't fall. Just look at the view, man. It's so pretty, yeah. Especially that part. I don't know if it'll be visible on my camera. I'll try to zoom in because I'm recording at 5K.
Yeah, boy.
The new GoPro 11, 12 and 13, they have, like, you know, better battery, so I can record for much longer durations. I am enjoying this view here. There are some few dark clouds here, but if you guys see that part, it's very nice. Very majestic, very mesmerizing. Sheesh. And I think that side the clouds are clearing up. Damn, I should have gone that side na. But then again, mo ito side pe, I don't usually come here na to vlog also. So why not? Let's capture what's in and around this 4-lane. One thing is for sure that we're gonna get lots of trucks out here. Freak, look at the view there, man. The clouds, so pretty. Let's see, we'll check it out from the, you know, bridge. I'm not gonna be stopping at the bridge, but we'll check out. That was a close one. I don't want to be in between these guys, so let's just proceed up ahead. So on my right side, if you see, it's very cloudy. It looks like it's gonna rain or it's already raining. But the left ka, the cloud up there, I'll zoom in so it looks really pretty. Works of recording in 5K 5.3K to be exact. You can zoom in and then there won't be any, you know, harm to the footages. No pixelation. Freak. Woo! Look at that. This side is very pretty. Sheesh. Feels good to be, you know, riding again after the crash. You guys can call me stupid, but the first thing on my mind was bike kinas na. Gini siya eh, utina first bike sa siya eh. So the bike had like very minimal damage. So it was good. Woo! freaking beautiful, yeah. Kiman nagijay clouds pe man clear lang na dyan sa kwan. And the view is also getting much better from here. Don't want to turn back, but I have to. Not now. I won't be turning back now, but sheesh. Okay, I think it was worth coming here because, you know, just look at the view, man. You guys, I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but there's like layers of mountain. I don't know, this might sound funny, layers of mountain, but it is freaking beautiful out here. I want to take a photo. Let's see if I'll stop or not. Anyway, even me, I'll take a U-turn from here. Guess I'm not gonna be stopping to click a photo. Plus I'm too deep inside already, so yeah.
What?
Plus I'm too deep inside already.
वाह क्या सीन है
Too deep inside already.
ऐसा मत करो मेरी जान लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा करो यार
And I'm sorry if I'm not talking much.
Sorry
I really had no intentions of vlogging, and I made a very emergency kinda stop here, but yep. Free. Look at this side, man, it's so dark. It is freaking dark. Let's hope it's... Yeah, coming back, let's hope it's not raining out there. Yeah. I wanted to go from this side, but it's a very long process kind of road. Over Lambajay. But if you guys have watched my old video, then you guys will see me going to college from this road, like this highway. Lingirjan ba? And then we reach the highway which connects this road. So yeah, I once went to college for content, record crew na video, but I'm not doing it again. Or I might do it again because it was fun. Like, there's no traffic, the road is straight. Woo! Bye bye, good view. Anyway, let's continue recording when I'm at the main highway again. Okay, going back home, and yep, it still didn't rain, which is good. And the sun is still up. I mean, the sun is setting. It's not up, or it might be up. I have no idea because I can't see the sun, but the view is very pleasant. Let's get a better view from up ahead. I feel like me recording this vlog right now is so pointless, but on the other side, at least, you know, I'm gonna have something to edit and upload. So let's see if I can make this video fun, or else I don't think my videos are worth the time you guys, you know, waste. Yeah, I would like to say that my videos are like a waste of time, and I'm also wasting my own time, I guess. But anyway, that aside, I love doing this. Can we go? I think I should remove my ND filter now, because I feel like the GoPro won't be picking up that much since it's already dark. Yeah, let's see what the GoPro is, you know, picking up right now. Let's make a pit stop here and check what the GoPro is recording. I removed my ND filter and that's better. Man kala da issue ND filter thaka to. Let's hope this doesn't fall. Let me adjust the angle a little and yep, we're good to go. Yeah, so coming back, ND filters, yeah, ND filters. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, if you guys watch till here. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. And I'll make sure that the next video is, you know, better than whatever I did today. So yeah, see you, peace, bye.